I got about enough of it done. The thing start living in it now. Still got to put my top on. I'm going to run a 2x from up there down to there, and then I'll come off of my PVC when I go up to put it across the top to wrap my stuff on top to keep the birds or the hawks from coming down and getting my stuff. I'm tired. My back's sore. My little makeshift gate right now. I'll be putting a door up there on that end. Right up there. Maybe on that side though, I don't know yet. Just in case they fly out. Hey, little birdies. Settle down. How y'all doing, huh? What do you think? I don't know. They're pretty big. Got to get some of the fittings for the bucket so I can make the deal. Take a drill to it. I got a couple more downstairs that I'll probably do too. I got the paneling on. Still need up there. Where's the freaking bee doing? I got to get the top up there sealed up. I figure for right now it won't be no big deal. It's under the tree. Won't be that much rain getting through or anything. I'll get it probably middle of the week. My back is killing me right now. But I think they'll like it.